guess you wonder where I've been.
So, we're on our way to
the skating rink.
the skating rink. Are you excited? Are you excited about going to the skating rink?
Yes.
You gonna do some tricks?
I'll do backflips.
Oh, okay. Yeah, he said he gonna do backflips. Oh, I wanna see this too.
And front flips. And roll under.
And we're gonna get that at a skate this time. He going to skate, y'all. We just gonna take it one step. One step at a time.
Dada don't even have skates.
He can get some. They provide him.
I know what I'm gonna watch out there.
You gonna step on a skate one time. Even if you don't like fully get on there and skate, just put them on your feet and stand on the thing. That'll be the first step. Learning,
because I'm not gonna take off and go nowhere.
No, it's not gonna defeat the purpose. You can learn how to balance. Just stand there. You gotta learn how. Just like when you learned how to ride a bike, you had to learn how to balance, right? So you gotta learn how to balance on skates. It's the same thing, but almost not the same thing.
Well, that sounds good to your feet.
It's not gonna be that bad, I promise. Yeah, he think it's gonna be just like, oh my God, no, it's really not all that.
I've been skating before a few times, but still, I just ain't, you know.
I think he'll do just fine, y'all. Watch, y'all will see. I'm a good coach. I'm a good teacher. When it comes, I can show you how to skate. I think that's the easy thing to do. Is teach someone how to skate, like riding a bike. So.
It sounds like you're saying you're not gonna let me even touch the floor.
Yeah, you're not gonna touch the floor. You're not gonna fall at all. I got you.
You just have to balance on the floor and stand on the skate.
That's right. That's right. Even Kyron, though, we won't let you fall. We got you.
I can hold your head down.
Responsibility.
It is, and I got it. Yeah, I got this.
I ain't counting on you. I ain't finna go out there and fall.
You not gonna fall. This bad thing ain't gonna fall for real, y'all. He's not gonna fall, I promise. So we'll see y'all when we get there. Okay?
Bye.
Got a thing for you, and I can't let go. My friends wonder what is wrong with me. When I'm in a daze from your love, you see. I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't go. Some people go around the world for love, but they may never find what they dream of. What you won't do for love. You tried everything, but you won't give up. And in my world, only you make me do when I would not. Now my friends wonder what is wrong with me. When I'm in a day when your love you see. Now I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't go. What you won't do for love. You tried everything, but you won't give up. You're in my world, only you make me do for love what I would not do. Guess you wonder where I've been. I search to find the love within. I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't let go. My friends wonder what is wrong with me. from your love, see. I came back to let you know. Gotta thank you, and I can't go. Some people go around the world for love, but they may never find what they can dream of. What you won't do for love. You tried everything, but you won't give up. And in my world, only you make me do when I would not. Now my friends wonder what is wrong with me. Where I'm in a day when your love you see. Now I came back to let you know. Gotta think for you, and I can't go. What you won't do for love. You tried everything, but you won't give up. And in my world, only you make me do for love what I would not do.
You had fun at skate ring?
Yeah, I had fun at skate ring, and I only finished Kenny. Just like that bicycle.
She was nice.
Mm-hmm.
That's good. You want to go back?
I really will do.
Well, we're going to go back. Dad said we're going to go back tomorrow. So we'll see. They probably open again at 5 again. So it'll be perfect time to be the first ones in there. So you can have the whole skating rink floor to yourself again almost. But yeah. Well, that wraps up today's video. So see you later.
See you later, alligators.
And I can't back up.